Very good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about the 20th dated assignment key for the class 9 and the topic is ER. ER means endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. So this total assignment is for 10 marks and in this we are having 2 Romans. In first Roman total 6 objectives are there. Each one carry 1 mark. In second Roman 2 short question and answers are there. Each one carry 2 marks. And coming to the answers, the first objective, the endoplasmic reticulum structure is similar to the structure of, if you observe the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, its structure is similar to the structure of plasma membrane. So the answer is plasma membrane, option B. And the second one, if you observe the endoplasmic reticulum, on its surface, it has some granule-like structures. These granules are called as ribosomes. So the answer is ribosomes and option A. And next one, third bit. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what is meant by rough endoplasmic reticulum? Just now we discussed the endoplasmic reticulum on which ribosomes are attached. It is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is synthesis of proteins. So the answer is proteins. Option B. And next fourth one, Camillo Golgi. So he was the scientist who observed a Golgi body. By the name of the scientist only, we are calling that cell organelle as Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. So he observed the Golgi body in the year 1898. So the answer is 1898 and option A. And the next one, the number of these organelles is very high in the cells which secretes enzymes and hormones. If you observe the cells which secretes and enzymes hormones, they contain dash cell organelles in high number. Answer is Golgi body. Option B. And coming to the last bit, sixth bit. In vertebrates liver cells, what is meant by vertebrates? The organisms which are having spinal cord or vertebral column, they are called as vertebrates. So in vertebrate liver cells, they play a very crucial role in detoxification of poisonous substances. So what is meant by detoxification? The removing of harmful or toxic substances, it is called as detoxification. So who will play an important role in this process means SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, and in shortcut we call it as a SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And moving to the question and answers. Describe the function of Golgi body. So what are the main duties of the Golgi body? It is called as a processing unit. That means packing center. If you observe the cell, in the cell, some of the organelles, they manufacture or secrete some substances. All these substances, they came to the Golgi body. In the Golgi body, the packing of the materials takes place. After that, from here, they will transport it to remaining parts of the cell. So the main duty of Golgi body is packing of the substances and transporting them from Golgi body to different parts of the cell. So note down the function of Golgi body is packing of the substances And the second one, from here the materials are transported towards cell membrane or other cell organelles like lysosomes. So the next question, eighth question. Now eighth question. How SCR and RER are formed and what is their function? So what is meant by RER and SCR? Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So if you observe the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, this is the nucleus. So the tube-like network structures are the endoplasmic reticulum. If you observe the endoplasmic reticulum, some parts of endoplasmic reticulum, they attach with the ribosomes. These are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So if you observe, these are attached with granule-like structures called ribosomes. So these are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. On the other hand, some endoplasmic reticulum, they does not contain any ribosomes. These are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so observe the ER means endoplasmic reticulum. The ER to which ribosomes are attached are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. In shortcut, we call them as RER. And its function, mainly it involves in the synthesis of proteins. It synthesizes the proteins. And next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the same, the endoplasmic reticulum to which ribosomes are not attached, which do not contains ribosomes, are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In shortcut, we call it as a SER. And coming to the duty, function of SER, it mainly involves in the synthesis of lipids. It involves in the synthesis of lipids. So, this is the key for the assignment. All the best, students.